So now we are going to study about the image formation of a plane mirror. All of you know what is plane mirror. Plane mirror is a mirror that has a flat reflecting surface without any inward or outward curve. So here you can see one plane mirror. The ray of light falling on a plane mirror is reflected at the same angle as the angle of incidence, that you know. And if the ray of light falling on the mirror perpendicularly, then the ray of light will be reflected back along the same path. So here you can see the ray of light reflected normally, that will reflect along the same path. This is reflected, actually this incident ray is normal to this plane mirror. So ray of light falling on a mirror perpendicularly will reflect back along the same path, because angle of incidence is, if angle of incidence is 0, angle of reflection will also be equal to 0. Then this ray of light falling on a plane mirror is reflected at the same angle as the angle of incidence. You know, if it is reflecting at a specific angle, then what angle it is creating with the normal ray, that will be same as the angle of reflection. So the ray incident here is reflected like this, and the angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be the same. So you just observe this reflected rays. One reflected ray is this, another reflected ray is this. So these rays are never going to meet each other. So if you extend these lines to the back of the mirror, then they meet at a point and image is formed here. Okay, where they will meet? They will meet here. If you extend this reflected ray to the back of the mirror like this, and this reflected ray also you are extending like this, they will meet at a point here. So this point, at this point the image will be forming. Okay, so image is formed here at the back of the mirror. So what is the characteristics of that image? Can you tell about the characteristics of this image? Just observe this image and this object. Object size is equal to the size of the image. So see the size of the object and size of the image, both are equal. So object size is equal to the size of the image. Object size is equal to the image size. Then what is the other peculiarity? From this mirror, just observe the distance of the object and just observe the distance of the image. So from the mirror, the distance of the object is equal to the distance of the image. So distance of the object from the image, distance of the object from the this mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Okay, so these both distances are equal. Object, we can tell object distance is equal to image distance. From where? From the mirror. Okay, so first point what we said, object, height of the object is equal to height of the image, that is size of the object is equal to size of the image. Then distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Then what is the authority of this image? Image is not real but virtual, correct? Image is not real but virtual image is a virtual image. Why? Because image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, by extending the reflected rays backward. We extended this reflected rays backward. Here reflected, this reflected ray and this reflected ray we extended to the back of the mirror, and they meet at this point, and here the image has formed, correct? So the image has formed behind the mirror. So this is a virtual image. What type of image is that? Virtual image. Then image formed is erect also. How the object is standing, likewise the image is. Okay, so both are actually like object, the image is erect. Okay, so image formed is virtual, image formed is erect, size of the image is same as the size of the object, image formed behind the mirror at the same distance as the object is in the front of the mirror. Means object size, distance of the object from the mirror is equal to distance of the image from the mirror. And also one more peculiarity is there, that is image formed is laterally inverted. You can't observe that in this figure. Okay, image formed is laterally inverted. If you write something and show it to a plane mirror, then what will happen? Left right reversal will happen. The left side will be visible as right side and right side will be visible as left side. That is known as lateral inversion. What that peculiarity is known as, what that characteristics is known as? That is known as lateral inversion. You can see here what is lateral inversion. See the P, letter P, if you show in front of the mirror, how it will be visible? It will be visible like this. You can see here, P is here. So if you show that to a plane mirror, P will be visible like this. That is left-right reversal happen. Understood? So that are the peculiarities. These all are the peculiarities of the plane mirror. These all are the peculiarities of the plane mirror. Image formed is virtual, image formed is erect. Size of the image is same as the size of the object. Then distance of the image from the mirror is equal to distance of the object from the mirror. Both distances will be equal. Then image formed is laterally inverted. Hope all of you got this all points.